Right, this is Novotel Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 3. My brother, how's it?
How are you? Good, Tony?
I'm good, thanks, man. How do you feel about the game today?
Firstly, I would like to say the boys they've tried their best, but luck was on our side today.
Yeah.
I can't falter the boys today. They tried, they really tried. It's just that we got those chances, but we missed them. Yeah. So going to the second game, I'm hoping that the boys will pick up. And also I'd like to say this. I know from the first whistle or from last week, I think the boys they underestimated the Magesi, which is not good. They're also a good team. They're a team that they can play the ball.
But competing also in the top flight, yeah.
Yes, so everybody was expecting Pirates to win today, but it wasn't going to be. But all I can say, all is not lost. Let's just focus on the next game, which is Super Sport in the league on Tuesday, and let's take the 3 points and move forward.
No, so do you think maybe on your next game, the coach will maybe rethink and maybe stop undermining other teams the way they did? Because I believe, as you are saying, I mean, it's true, they did undermine this team.
Yes, all I can say, I can't. The coach knows the best, and so but I can't also foster the boys. The boys they really tried their best, and it's just that the chances that we got, we didn't use it. But I'm hopeful that on the next game, which is the Betway Premiership, when we get these chances, we'll use it, because our schedule is so tight.
It's very tight.
It's so tight.
It's also careful.
It's careful. So we are out in the calling knockout. We also left with which is
Nedbank Cup, CAF.
Nedbank Cup, CAF. So all I can say is that let's focus about the past and move forward. That's all I can say for now.
Okay, thank you very much, my brother. All the best. Hola.